like relationships is seeing when our foundation years a young about the sex and drugs, like smoking, and especially the most recent one. What connected us was mainly sex and weed. Period. But the foundation on which I built this relationship on was on friendship. You know what I mean? Like I said, omusajja yanumya nga omanyi omukazi yalumya omusajja yanumya nga tayagala kumpaako. And then I'm like, I even said in messages, I said in my messages, I'm like, don't you find me sexually attractive? You say you like me, but why haven't we gotten to that part? And he's like, you're a good woman. Tebako papira. Toba kulia. Okulia kwetaaga amaanyi mangi kati osooka n'olya n'omala n'olya mpola mpola kale oba oluusi olya bw'olya password ye ngimanyi ate naye yange agimanyi ngimanyi mwatuukaawo kwerevo sinzigule omanyi password y'omu talina kyakweka nange sirina kyenkweka. That is worried. I might not be knowing yours. Mine. Mama face detect. Face ID we gane that take password. Wow. More exchanging passwords. We know, like when she wants to use my phone, maybe I'll be doing something. I'll be like, hey, use my phone. And then password. No ones. I go to ina mbwala bu frattling bu gidana bu. Yeah, kaba je kali yo kamanye. Sometimes ga flatting anon. Ina bulenzi bujja mu inbox okumanyira. Bajja naye ate babazera bwabere simyanga agira bera mugamba ono mono muddemu. Like men come professing they loved me and they talking to him. Mwagwere nkwatako bukwasi bichi and then they don't know that they're talking to him. Which messages are sending? That they want to do things. Lots of them are jakubuya like they. So like message you aliyo isomye nga bagisindikidde. Maybe mu byenkola mbijja mu messages. Omwana so gamanja kujja mukazi bene kwana kokola tolo bekino kisoboka kola omwaka kati nze yansanga bedroom yange. I have money nainga eri like the paint is old not untidy just like ngawo manyi like it's like you know those main things of sajja galabana. No, he came is like mwana ngo sura bwe kisenge kyo like you know namugamba mwana oli sita naye ngo sura bwe and then life is for living. No, my baby, but with a man. Bakakoza. Yeah, man. I mean, I think you gamba kokoro mumbu. Yeah, alpha male. Alpha female. Alpha female. Ngamba batwala nyali. Bintu biri mu levels. Yachuka. Alpha female wasanga kamero merera. Kali tojizanya seo. Muzo buli asanga ngabo mero kati asanga empologoma. Nengo uruguma. I do, mustare yange. Banna. Ono akutambuli yanga chinawolovu. Asi chinawolovu nawe. Akogambye empologoma. Ati mwana yagera na yakuba empologoma. Yagenza nakuba chinawolovu. Nakuba chinawolovu. Ningamba ati bitu bibiriga tebikwatagana. Nawolovu baja chitegera chinawolovu. With time mumjategera chinawolovu. Nenga muli mutya? Alhamdulillah. Muli bulungi.
Alhamdulillah tuba tugenze mu Islam. Go Richard.
Tuba tugenze mu Luwarabu. Lulimi siddiini.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nga kiri kitya.
Nkiraba kiri wano kinyirira.
Tunakola love empyaga.
Enyuma.
Bilisi kuba bakonga weemola bwotyo.
Mbera shy nawe, mbera mulavu.
Ndaba yeemola bwemozi. Tunakola mwe.
Be serious kat.
Be serious. Oba serious bakwetegekera.
Ati we mbera awo ndowooza I affected
masanyalaze.
Gabira mangi.
Sanze mangi. Kilowatts.
Omanyi nali wano ne Robin Kisti. Nenzija nenyumyamuko naye. So the way yali akwogerako and even how people responded ku internet nengamba I have to meet Richard. Nene ngamba sija meeting azeka ne bafani bange bajja mu meeting tunyumyemu mukwataganira wagwe ne Robin Kisti. Robin Kisti muntu wa internet wa media muntu
nange mu internet ngamba them for a long time.
So people
media, know you. Yeah, a lot of people know me from way back out watandikira Firebase Army.
Wali Firebase Army? Kibanda.
Jo, she not really kati kibanda huyo mulago maita kibanda kyakolebwanga. So bantu tubeerayo banje yo mugeto. Abantu mugeto baida bali so bantu bakabinyonyorwa kwa tebaina connection, tebaina exposure, tebaina
kimanyi kibabeera solid.
Nyo. Obulabirayo mwagamba alufa female mwali munsesa.
Hey. Ngawula tujokinga mbujokizi. So you and mu meeting amutya.
Robin siye ya meeting nze na mu meeting literally namusanga tsamanga try no pate yo mbasi nyina yo basista banga bakyotaleyo. Tola ba print yange. Namba
mchotalo mundugavu.
Nyina mwa ruchotala samwe yo wa mama.
Okay.
So kupate she came around ne mulabanga omanyi star. So nze nga omanyi bageto youth buli opportunity otugira batugikozesa. So kale bisere yona linyina company game promoting eyengoye etunga. Yani mutomerawo ndi muitira mune mugamba sira bangayo muntu atunga ngo oli munsi muno.
Because promoting mukazi we.
Noga bangayo muntu atunga ngo oli.
Yeah, ne mugamba I've never seen anybody as talented as my wife by then. Munsi muno. Kati Ruby natunulya nangamba olimba. Ne mulaga ka page ne mugamba kati oboyagala kakasa. Get a design of Pinterest oba wa fetuku tuweza material oli aja chimala. Yeah, and then Robin was also impressed the fact that in fact yakachingamba she was impressed okubanta I was so supportive like that. Yeah. So
by the time we were meeting around maybe by then wife yaliwo mwalimu now.
Yeah,
in the same premises.
Nemugamba I even introduced neba senior contacts namkolera lugerwa Miss Uganda final mwalaba.
Rabu namba red carpet. Miss Uganda ojukira ku finals yali erugogo. Yes, the blue dress on the red carpet generally nyambade.
Mujo yalutunga.
Si mujo wange.
No, we are
she's clothing. She actually makes clothes. She makes dresses. Katono boyan connecting ako. She made me a nice dress. But then I wasn't with him at that time. Nari sitting
connecting past to present tense.
No, we've just Robin, we've just met.
Yes,
okuva byengo yo byabirawo. That's like a year.
So it's been like a past tense to the present tense. Muita mujja.
Kati omujja omuyita like
we had moved on for some time.
Ex mujjao.
No, X one was just
mujja omuba mwakikubamu mu time yemu.
Oh.
Yeah.
Mwegumiza. Okwegumya kulwa.
Yeah, so
ageze kema nkomye
yeah, so that's the first time I met Robin. Then okudamu ku meeting panga dene.
So they're taking us a little bit.
A long time. Yeah, then later ngabo
no communication, no nothing.
Because I connected them babiri bone basigala.
Oh, ne basigala ngabanyumya.
Yeah, nenga nzo no literally twali kitugatta naye.
You still talk?
No, twayogera nankolera olugoye era bwe yandelivering olugoye we twakoma. So I stayed seeing her and I stayed seeing them, so I didn't know what was going on between.
There was no jazz going on.
No, she's never been my friend. We just know each other.
Just know each
other. Yeah, tetutulanga konti oba tu chatting tubere bamukwano no yankolera lugoye, and then we never talked again after that. So I just meet him again.
We met later. I've been I was single for some months, like amazing guy tan.
Mazoka okara.
Yeah, kale ngabita singa woman.
So ne mungama let's part ways.
Yeah, peacefully.
Peacefully. You have kids?
We have I have 3 kids. Naye with her I have 1 AP. The whole internet mumanyi bad so later after like 5 months ngandi single nga bintu wala nga omanye nonya sente nonya bichikati onziramu. Yeah. Of course. Bakazi basatu bokka.
Nze ngina bera wakona.
Bwetulia mukamugunyu boto babaze. Tubali babana.
Sibayina nze bibyo kimugunyu sibikola. Byono n'obudde byono na sente. Stress nyingi kalobera olooza onongena mulimba ki. Sometimes eranze man nze simanyi ebintu bya gundi kudde n'okudde sibisobola. So as later we met Nairobi era in the same place waba sister bangawo.
Still ngakomyewo.
Yeah, cause bali ba neighbor be. So nemulaba social media bichi nemugamba naye lwaki tonkwasa mu social media zezo nenzimanaging muko bichi
otandikoluwaizeeko osembera
bimanye era kwetegaateka kubamu olaba big fish. So when we started exchanging togere ebigambo, she kind of got so comfortable with me. Tinga kale nze amazima nalawobera comfortable naye. Mandaba sisana kumubera kumpi. Kale nenyumamu.
She was too tempting.
She's too cute. She's a star. She's American, English. She's gwe. Nze nebimumbi esigaliza. Internet sinyango. Yeah, so nampo omulimu and I was so lucky. First time it was when I saw Kovera nga manager we. It was a very good show. It was in a Galaxy bichichi and kind of nga tulowoza kyekimu twogera ku bintu because era nange
there's a connection here olabanga musolo rhyming
and I've in her business yali showbiz. I've been there for a long time. Kati abwe nagamba awo nenkubirako ba Brand Kister, nenkubirako ba Joseph Washington, ba Josh ali China, ba Zex inchi 10, like all my friends iba omukebete. And we started trying to push the brand, do this and do that, shooting the videos. Katao. With nalabira awo nga tukedde tuli munju.
Because for you had gone some months single.
Yeah.
By that time, what is the parents ne Guy wa Banana?
Long time. To defend I never actually. The thing is, I never went on the internet to Kwaga Martin on a breaking up naye, but I had broke up with him really at the beginning of this year.
At the beginning of this year.
Yes. In February, me and him broke up. So, but I never told.
I remember when Walu was talking and breaking everything.
Yes, they took them, but this year in February. Yes.
Yes. Kati wasingo nyuma we wano. We start dating. Tibisoboka.
Ngakugamba biki?
Like kaninga onamugamba hey how are you chips nagamba ba lero tugende ko for lunch tugende ko ku restaurant za kabizo
nga ayogera biri ebimalayo
ate nganze ebyange byakuyita wa big daddy eri Mengo
yenze
ebiwe bitomu
wala wajja mu premises zange bwat natandika abuha abana ba cafe javas bafuma bulungi nga mugamba mama nakyakube kati testing 1 2 ngamba omukazi kandabo basobola okudda ku level yange nimutwalako naye farm ezigote naye taka nimutwalako ku farm yange nimutwala kayumba kataka ne tutulaawo bichi naye ngandaba ati yes come here there she's so free ne tugenda mu nnimiro and
that was our first date.
Yeah.
Mwa dating ngayumba kataka?
No,
on my farm.
Go farm you.
Yeah.
Like it was the first day we went out together.
And she really had fun and neewunya nnyo ngamba like you don't look like somebody who can even have a farm or you get into farm chibichi and then and yeah but for the first month byali bizibu nnyo
omuvuga speed kwa hiyo mwali omweka
twaliyo ne waliyo farm manager wange abeerewo bamuyita Kigozi yabeera
Kigono gubagera kwita Kigozi
nafanaganya amanya you know it Kigozi
so kati Kigozi temwamugobawo ko
no Kigozi was around because atuyamba
ka funa mmere nawe yulaga
watusime mmere even the videos kwezili awo ku internet
ate mukwata ku video
tetwali ku ebyo
eyo na time nga tewali akutema munne
twali tuwaka
ne mugende eyo na katwali akutema munne ne muvaayo nga twali akutema munne
nga teri nga nza ndi mukutya
aina kamotoka wakatulama ino kusoko kwe kubempisa tete nazo kamanyi
nakalabako ko nesi kyakalaba
tutambulira akagula naawe
waliwo motoka ya company waliwo company ya Ras Oil zetu promoting atuwe motoka tutambuliramu yeah
buli muntu ajja n'emikisa
nengo no si wa motoka nnyo boda tambuze ku bigere iki
abantu tebandowoozamu ate si kyendi
unafumba ava mu buliri n'afumba obuugi n'asiika Rolex tagula Rolex ku kkubo
tomwala nnyo mu kamera abantu kulowooza nti
ate lwaki abampaana nkugambye ndi mukazi owaddala ndi mukyalo owaddala
olalabyeko mu America ago yakawunga
Robin enaku yakutuulako ennaku zino
and I was surprised kale nze omanyi lwaki nasooka n'entyamu nga ndaba like kati ono tasobola kuwa ku kitiibwa tasobola kuwuliza tasobola biki ayinamu amajja nensooka n'entyala omwezi our first month awo nga nkuba saba neebuzaabuza sikikkiriza yeah but I was surprised she's awuliriza she listens afumba she's respectful maaso eyo naye tomanya
ebyamaaso tusobola tutambule n'ekiriwo
senga honorable Nambooze yabikola
they know the crazy me. They don't know who I am when I'm with my man. So that's why they're like, you're surprised
how
that
I could be in your normal days. Robin.
Actually, like when I'm around him, I'm very calm. City like jumpy. Better like
she loves listening to what I'm saying mostly.
Better like
agala uli ebigambo ebinvaamu oluusi ne munyumizaako ebibozi by'omugete eyo.
Basically, he's funny. He's a funny guy. Like he makes me laugh all the time.
Yeah, and then sometimes we argue about business. Kale research tujikola muku debating.
Ever debate about
business
ideas. First of all,
things,
the Ras Oil and Herbal Company.
We have some shares there. Yeah.
So there's other people part of it, but both of us also have shares in that company. So either it's business talk or we just talk about
what business partner.
Actually, before we dated,
that's when we did the business.
Then puts a red flag. Is it one of it you and the baby mama were separating because of her?
No, she was never in that picture before.
Business yatandika on already alimu breakups ze kati tunaana ku meet ko like deciding to date.
Yeah, by the way, in fact in that period of the business haunga ndi down tima bichibinga omanyi kale kati that's when I met her tenga na ichi like kana yawa abatabani ba Farao bali mukola so we kind of got comfort. So I'm kind of starting to believe because she's so proud of me. Even though posting it was a long debate. Because
I didn't ask him.
I have business partners. I have a family. I have siblings. You know, I'm a community leader. Yeah, so mbasagala muntu ansalirewo ankolera ebintu nga simanyi yeah and for her to chimanyi wali kama so manji era kati bakuba amasimu era kati Samsung yo ajijjako nenfunayo iPhone erimu namba empya iPhone 12 erimu namba empya bakubira nze bambuuza olina oyo twakulabye yeggwe.
People are criticizing you being with her.
No, people are surprised.
And never critics never to Bulamu.
Then all nabali bamputinga down personally. Kati beewuunya bagane kanaka yiko mu ghetto okayitira mbute kayina sente but antu tebamanyi kyendi man tetukyayina ebintu byokulaga sente man ebya kisiru. Yeah, so
and actually nebintu bya there's having money and having respect and care for someone. So lokubanga ozina nemutagira nemuta rhymingira wamu
nedda ne gundi differences za money ziri bbiri. Olwo na Uganda abakola sente okulaga nti bagagga just to be rich. Then difference in the mindset yange kuba nakula abagagga mbalaba nze nkulida awo mu town. Mindset yange ya ku building a wealth mostly sente zendowooza Kenya zezo sente zotasobola tambula nazo mu nsawo. Mataka companies brands stuff like that. Sikufuna mumbu akuwa inaka boutique tunda jeans ze China ate kale ovimba okole kino.
Conducive environment okole ebyo byonna n'okulowooza ebyo byonna.
Yeah, she's so intelligent. Nze mugeto nakula simanyi nti bahayaringa marketeer. Nakula simanyi nti omuntu abeera ne PR. Nakula simanyi leja ebyo but she's nabisomako naye nga sibirabangako babikola bati. Yeah, but to sit down and draft budgets and do this and do that. I'm so proud of her. Nalwao okumumitinga.
Robin like what TV like no this is the thing abantu bamanyi Robin Kisti oshegera wembera n'omusajja wange mbera Robin anamboze oshegede so like mbera the Ugandan woman naye Robin Kisti kala ina like I have to be tough. Like I have to be tough just because of the industry that I'm in, and also obviously I was crazy. Like crazy in a way that I'm a party person, but now sicha party ngochanda I'm Bibala. Like I barely go to Bibala because like this man doesn't drink anymore. He used to drink, but he doesn't drink anymore. So I drink, but then being with someone who doesn't like want to drink, then that makes me like I you know it's more like, you know what I mean?
But you drink a little bit. I let you drink a little bit.
No, he lets me drink. Like if I want, he won't say, "Oh, don't drink."
Sometimes even drink with you.
Well, katira wembera like nze kale wa wembera onganjala. You know? So he won't tell me no. But because we no muntu atali drink anga gwe era nawo yigo kukola chi.
But I also like it
balance. So and you know,
she gets naughty when she drinks it.
But chimaneno kujjako. How do you control hunger with them kuba wanywa?
The fact that tubeera nnyo together, so nze ndi self conscious. Ebintu ebisinga byenkola nsooka kwebuuza kiddako neepima nnyo kati naye she gets along like ngezezaako n'omulaga nti she's a brand cause ye nga yete yali takimanyi nti wakabi so ngezezaako n'okumulaga nti oli star waliwo tutalina kubeera waliwo byotalina kukola.
The first time me and him went up to the club twagenda eriwa
Bolt
twagenda ku Bolt
last Moshmula experience
last weekend kati that's the first time I went out with him, but I was so free because normally if I'm drinking ngate ndinze ka hasina msaje mba like I'll be crazy, you know, like that's why you guys think I'm crazy because I'll be dancing all over the place, but when I was with him like he's keeping me calm, he's keeping me in one place, like I'm not gonna go right. Yeah, he's protective of me. Even if I'm going to the bathroom, he's coming with me. So I can't leave him and go, even if I have friends there, I can't go and talk to them because I respect him.
Yeah.
Because he respects me. I respect So he respects me and then I respect him in return. So like I just feel like the power balance is good. It's balanced.
Check.
It's the reality of love ngoli.
Yeah.
Well, like if we compare the before and now,
if you're alpha female. Alpha female we're meeting on to go submit because I feel like submission is a choice when you find like the right person. So like when I found him, the way even Gatwake meeting, I felt like I'm chasing her in a way, like especially sexually.
Come on.
Yes.
I'm coming to that part.
Because he showed me what it means to be patient. Patience. Like I was a kind of girl who I've never met men who are patient. Okay. I swear I've never met a man.
So you
atayagala kujja mu mpaye zange right away nga yakatandika okumanya nti mwagala oshegede
papa.
Let me tell you, this man took weeks and I'm like like am I not attractive enough for him? Like he didn't want to do the thing and he's like
how long did it take you guys to get laid?
3 weeks. It took me 3 weeks for this man to lay me. I'm looking at him like, and I'm looking at this man like, what is wrong with me?
All about that.
Sexy.
There's that time in your life wobanga tochagala bintu bya kubira ngozanya kati. For example, nina abana bawala babiri. Yeah. So when I look at girls, I get that feeling of a father. Nze kati ntya dokole ekintu ekitagenda, like sitting away with that person, yeah. So kati ateno na meeting ate nga ndaba star tenga bichi kati nganye namune kiri nti bano ba stars anegombye coach I can some drive
koko na noka
nendeka ko
sunga sija kitekamu
nga twange ngao to so
full nga muri wali yagala nengo wegumye
njagala na yenga like I wanted to give like a good foundation if it's real to a foundation enungi cause Bobo yagala kwegatta mani obimanyi nebo fuluma wano bot
chigwa naye okufuna the right person with a connection yo okole kiro.
Yeah, because literally nze kwegatta sina nsingo okwagala. Yeah, njagala nnyo omuntu gwe sobola oku building ideas ne tuziwa life. Omuntu gwe sobola okwogera ku bintu ebitegerekeka naye kati osotula n'omwana ow'obuwala n'omubuuza about the budget takimanyiko oshegera n'omubuuza kale ku bintu ebigenda mu maaso mu nsi.
Nze kasitongulira akaviri
kati I was surprised one day na niljogerako ne Robina na yine sente zenjagala ku investinga mu bonds ozimanyi za government. Ne mubuuzaako what do you think? Ngaba nkimanyiko nabyogerako fine yati abimalayo kutuuka gye mbimanyi. But yandaga nti abimanyi ate we yamalira n'abaako gwakubira wa accountant mu brother we yamalira wa bamita Kayongo n'abinyonyola bulungi. They even made an appointment and they came ne babinyonyola ne ngamba okay it's good and naye n'akyagalirawo ne kati osanga bano abobuwala nga anyiridda ayambadde ali smart naye nga ekyamaanyi kyamanyi
abisenga labi
njala ng'omutwe gumumenyera bwereere.
Abola basige bwigizi ndo bateka kozaabwe
so kati kyenali time kyenali nkyanoonya amunoonya mu kiki ayinza okunyongerako. Yeah, what can you add on me? Because literally abasajja bonna abali let me tell you muyiga okweweeyinga. Yeah, what is my worth? Kiki enzitowa kiki enteeka ku table so that n'omukazi w'omusanga osobola okumanya alina kuzitowa ky'okubeera naawe otherwise ogenda kukoloda mabega.
Okay.
Kati natuula ne msuka ne mupima nga kali mulungi kuba kyekyo obulungi nabo bakiraba
avuganya malayika
ebirala byonna inamu yakolamu ayina gy'abeera like she does not need naye ngira ndaba kikyanyongerako. So otogera ku business nga apiikinga otogera ku bino nga apiikinga and I think she's a good woman. I'm so glad I met her.
Go taking that 3 weeks nga mu getting a lady that day remarch kola was it worth waiting?
Of course it was. Kati obuzani
singa nkyaliwo
akata kasufuye
kutidalenze bamodo ya mukono gwa obita piskira kayagambanga mbuya yagala abakazi nga kaseke like castro ngamugamba blood ya abana you confused between feeding them or loving them. Naye baba kaseke kamala blood omukazi yenanga osobola omusajja yenanga osobola mukazi wo kumukwata bwoti nosigala nga okwata ku buno elibo oli wakabi
dasa bitegedde
abana je bali ngo ogezako ngali ng'omufaliso gwe basibyemu akawuzi
no Rwanda.
I am not really saying it obunene kibi but sometimes omubiri kirungi okubeera in check ne health kati ono nze mbadde nange natandika okugejja naye we work out together anyway just go to omanya bya ddala.
Let's talk about the age difference. Bothering people bagitunulamu nnyo ofuna pattern nga akusinga naddala omusajja ng'omukazi akusingako ku age difference. It looks weird in the society.
In age, let me teach. Mu age tebabala myaka like gumu ebiri esatu ena mwina kubala generations. Nti nze ndi baby boomer. Nina kwagala mu ba baby boomer bw'obuuka n'ojja mu ba millennial oba owedde kitegeera kati nze ono millennial nange ndi millennial. Music gwe twakulirako y'omu culture internet era we tuli be bamu like we have a lot of things in common.
Exactly.
N'ennyimba zembira nazo mu simu yange zimunyumira.
Ogenda okulaba nga
kati obuzibu nze kati kange nze ndi millennial ngende ndeetinge ku Gen Z. Gen Z bakuba trap music bakola biki ffe tubikola ffe tukuba old school.
Different mindset.
Exactly.
Ffe tuli hands on ate tumanyi ne internet. In fact generation yaffe esinga okubeera akabi. Tuyinamu kali kasete ak'emabega tuyinamu ne kana ka internet.
Kama tati time nga
before the internet but then it came when we were on
the internet just so
yeah
from here crossing this side.
Yeah, so age doesn't just to affecting. And by the way abamanyi obulungi ono nyinza nova mu musinga obukulu.
Testifying ati akusinga kemyaka
naye
n'agamba kuno ya Katonda yamukwatirako n'afuna at least nga ka age different kati ninyo kuba adafuna ba 6.
Wale omanyi ebbala club gye bayitanga Volt
wane ku Tebe Road
ate White Nile wagikubako White Nile ate wakubako endongo y'emisana ey'oku Bristol kati awo mba ndi mwana muto. Tinkulaga mutuli lwa myaka
tuli mu age range. No, by the way, what chayogera ko like age it's not about the age difference. Like it's not about the age difference, about the generations you're from. If you look at my past relationship, I was almost in a Gen Z relationship.
Not almost Mwali.
Yeah,
because no one comes.
No,
okay. And you feel you get a full of
so basically ngawo mind
ekyo kivumirira from day one naye ngamugereka on a day nimugaba kikola kiti ekyo.
Okay, so without talking about him, just chenkulaga nti no yeah era botu looking back a challenge relationship or your communication yagana kubanga twite like engeri gye trying making her understand ata so achira mu ngeri zije nchira mu ngate ne perspective jala mu ekintu eri different kwegama ne babeera bumping of heads.
You're looking at a personal development tutuuke waliwo kwa gulu yalo ngalowoleza mu bintu bilala usual bityo.
Exactly. Can you see me? One thing actually makes me respect him. Like I'm a little bit older than him, but I don't feel it because I feel like he's my man. Like he's my man. I have to. So like normally like sometimes I wear like, you know how you wear spandex, like those tight leggings, right? As me, like if I don't have a man, like or whatever, if I don't have a man who keeps me in check, like I would walk to the shops like that. Yeah. You know what I mean? But like, what am I exposing of my body? I see what I'm exposing. My whole vagina is outside. My ass is clearly seen. Like I'm wearing leggings. So like it's one of those things whereby he made me realize certain things. He makes me realize certain things that being taken for granted. Like if I'm going in with leggings, no. He this is what he says. He goes, "You're going? Where are you going?" He's like, "You're wearing that one." That's all he says is like, "Oh, you're wearing those." Like he won't say, "I can get a water." He'll say, "Oh, you wear." That's why he looks like that. You're wearing that. Now you to know what mom said. You're wearing that. It's enough for you to know that. Like he's not comfortable with me just like this, but he won't be like, "Oh, you're looking like this." Like he knows how to communicate with me for me to understand. However, like it's never been like that. Like I feel like he respects me and how I look out there, because even when I go out there, I'm representing him. If he's out there, he's representing me. So like I think even to be a relationship byakukula, it's about growth, and when you meet someone who is on the same growth level as you, then musobola okujeninga kubanga tewaliwo perfect relationships. Era sijagamba nti yaffe eri perfect versus zonna ze nali mbaddemu, but I'm saying that I feel like I found someone like
who understands you.
Yeah, he understands me at a mindset yaffe like
the intelligence is matching, the energy.
Actually we'll be talking atonyumye ekibuuzi normally abasajja bonna like wonyumye emboozi tezikwatagana because first of all nze ndinemu ekyebweru nti waliwo emboozi zenyumyako like oba ku TikTok yange kubeerako like ebintu ebisinga bya America naye kati twabeeranga mu kiboozi naye like kati nga ngenda nejogera ebintu bya America like oba ebintu ebiri more like
abroad, yeah.
And he would finish my sentences, or he would know exactly what I'm talking about because yes, Omesa, like he educated himself, you know, so he knew he could make references to things nange bimanye bibura tenga tabiranga ko bweru. So
anagamba sibiranga ko bweru
mbazi wabera ko bweru
Clapham Junction wamwe Camberwell Green wamwe
kale yabera kai bweru actually I baji because he knows like a lot of things that I know, so he's been abroad, I guess.
Yeah, nah.
Okay. So we just connected in a good way, and I respect him, and I'm ready to become Mrs. Kakosa.
Oh, so already doctor.
Chala. Oka.
Of course, standing.
Nga mwagala bitono. Zinagambe siroleza ku bintu bitono. Kati mba ntandika planning okukyala. Mbaga kwanjula mbaga honeymoon bichi you know akwa bijaba mu mitendera mingi era abanajja ja kwesunako.
I know
binzo beera mu ngebe amamiddebu
mamiddebu yamako
mamiddebu I knew about the wedding wala ba ku interview ne kwa mamiddebu.
Yes
ati I was among namusaba mbere ku wedding. That after that interview.
Nawe nga tolina passport ne bakuleka.
No. Naye nze ekyangoba ku wedding nayogera naye because yampa enamba ya secretary gye natwala akolanga personal secretary kati naye ye nenyumya naye ku TikTok like mu DM angamba bwe sisobola kukiza na kubeera ku mbaga yange koze atete baba nakoze ki wanjo kisezza ensevuba weti embaga n'ensuba bayita bingi nakola ku ye
ate oneso mulaba namulaba no interview ino lwali lungi abuuza ebibuuzo
yayocha n'avuma akaana n'akateeka wali nangamba buli muntu avuma nze tosobola kujja ku mbaga yange era ebyembaga n'embijera yabaddeyo neŋŋamba naye nga nagimanyako ebintu bifa
yadde amaanyi so neyaffe ejja kuba kind of like that naye nga invitation zijja kuba ntono
agakikolanga nze bayinze bantu 20 my side 20 the other side
okola embaga
ey'omuggeto yo tejja kubako invite
buli omu
ey'omuggeto
njikolanga ey'ekakuuto ogijjukira
ejja kubeera eri ewa wisdom mu kibira eri wa wisdom poison oba omumanyi eyo nga kuyingira ngatto asinga amaanyi abeera ku pati kuba eyo yajja baya ghetto
basimba n'ebitooke byayagala jangu
ne kati era ebyo bikole eyo kati ne waffe ogenda simba kukola suwa n'ebitooke so kiri baby.
So what are your plans because you have umusajja tebambalira abaana let me say you have 3.
Yeah.
She has 3.
You
combine those are 6. Mwina plans of okwongera kwa babana
8.
Really?
Yeah, twongerako 2.
See?
All right.
Let me see my lights.
Nekano njagala kaza ku saati nawudde busiriva olwo webugira buti.
Yeah, tutalonga.
So,
yes, baby.
Bade ndikubabuza. You guys, natwogera kuchokuza. Are you guys ready? Mwagala kuza already bano be mulina. Are you going to add on?
We're gonna add on.
Definitely gonna add on. Nakugamba dad since nchazana. And this is a great man to have kids for because he loves his babies. He loves his babies. I tell you, no go kumusajjanga I loving abana.
Literally, if I love someone, I really love. No, what friendly wange, n'emikwano gyange, nyine emikwano mitono. Ejiri close na era ja. Je tejivira oddala ba msawo jabani, you know. Tejivira oddala, so when she's my baby, she is my baby. Waba mwana, era wa mwana. I do my best, yeah.
Last time twali to mukameranga twogera, you talked about the incidence of the thing you used. Won't it take you a long or no linda paka cause you wakagenda kemya kesatu?
No. I take it out when I want. The IUD? I take it out when I want.
Roger is coming in December.
Okolachi.
Kajam. I have a doctor. Mamita Msawo Roger. Suwi.
Abeda UK.
He lives in London, so
he's
coming to take it out.
Echaka kulemesa zo chimanyi okuvaamu.
Kati.
Kakutuko buuzi.
Ati kakutuka buuzi. Guli.
Chicho kutuko buuzi kuli fale kutegeeza ache.
Kabulirayo.
Ati kati ekyaberawo. Nakati akayonga nakamala okuzaala.
Immediately we are giving a back.
Like the new, my baby.
Let me tell you the fact. Oma awono yafuna ba babies ba C-section. Kati eri cervix teitanga muko ku bontwe. So it's very tough.
Yeah,
so that's why chetagisa yo musawo ali London Roger.
Akajjem.
Agena kujja ina facilities then akajjem bulungi wamalo kajjamu tekemu.
Engumi evuge.
Mundu esike.
Nzebale ngamba right now nti basinga mugizaako kugombolola.
For what?
Actually. Sente kati apana. Really, for why? We can afford the kids, we can afford.
And we already have kids, so there's nothing new.
So
already msuke mukuza abaliwo.
And the youngest is 3. That's my son. He's 3. He's 3. So I don't want to turn 14 ngasina mala kuzala. So I'm
turning 14 2 years to come.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I want to start now. Before I'm 40, I have 2 more kids.
So
at
40 is stopping.
At 40 njagala mberenga tuli living a life ni baby wange.
Kuzimba company.
Oshegede kukola sente kuzinyumirwa.
Magala abana 8. Looza limu abana 2.
Yeah, bwenzala babi twina abana 8.
Well, she can up to 45 and she's fit, she has a good body.
Even 45 I can have kids, but I just don't want to. On my own because I go to come 40s, Unafua. So right now I just want to kind of be done in my 30s, and then by 40s we're just building businesses, making money and loving on each other, because I love this man, you don't even know. No, not yet.
Oh yeah.
No, this time I'm doing it differently.
Okay.
He has to take me to a home. That's when we're gonna move in. Yeah, this is a business. That's a business home. Airbnb ngena jiteka mu Airbnb. Ebidinge kola sente kubanga
mukolera ka sente ka kyala.
Ngani agenda kujja mu lusuzi.
Abazungu tubamanyi.
Naye abana bajja balu.
Abazungu katera ogirangi Airbnb ogirangira abana abazze for holiday 1 month nasa so kumidwe. Nati sasa okumiro bajja tuno million nyamwezo.
Okoye ebyokusuza abasajja.
Sisuzanga ko basajja. Just know if someone is staying with me doesn't mean demukumusuza.
Definitely you are.
We are cohabiting. Bajita cohabiting.
Still nembera mu cohabiting omusajja alina okuba newe kati I'm happy for him.
Yes.
Nti ekyo yakitegera n'amanya ati nedda tebasula wa mukazi. Ne kati kambuuze.
No, but if omukazi waba alina ennyumba ye nga n'omusajja alina ennyumba, you can both stay at each other's houses every now and then. Because look, I can't leave my home now. I have a baby there. I can't leave my home now until I know for sure we are married, we're ready.
Even my home is ready.
His home is ready, but he has
really wants to
me.
Come after everything is legal and all that. Yeah.
He has a home that I can go to, but right now we can just go to each other's homes.
As well, you're not pretending of Kolebia Namwayo.
Bitya.
Shakatila
bayo. Nze takanina etakona alina ate nga nze agena kunnyongirako. Kati lwaki mbanwana ngo ready
lwaki tomwongerako.
Ati nkugamba nina ettaka alina ettaka. agenda kunyongera kutegeza eryange libalifuka
empire.
He has more land than I do, so hey, he has more land than I do, so that means I have
meeting. Like I've never met a woman who's clever like her. Inamagezi manji. But I don't know. That's why the hopes are so high.
Bino bitu byokuyomba yobogera bimujamu otya ku internet. Omwana oyo wakuma olutalo ku internet.
Ku internet na muyiza.
Ne bajja babafa bavaayo.
Ngamu wemba ndi ku managing a
brand ya was comment committing. Anyway,
I don't comment on my comment section anymore. He runs my pages.
So she comments some like I teach her like abantu bajja stress abana ebizibu byabwe. Sometimes comment yo muntu bekulaga yenga wali and teacher item, you know.
Right.
Tojja kutekayo ka video ka love oli abereri nga yasuze njala abawani era agambira omwe mujja ku fight will end in tears. The relationship will be brief.
Wala watu gabe ntine gena better brief.
What was your response ngoli achogede ntigenda ko ya brief?
I don't mind, just told them time will tell.
Because that's all we can.
Because oli wagamba relationship ojja kuba brief na nawo mugamba hey it will be as brief as your mind. Go chita. Yes.
Ndirero muntu bo mugani olowooza kitono.
Ngomudiza nti ngomudiza stress ye kalinga naye asoka nainga agamane kati mazima bantu bali sibamanyi tebinkwatako bali ku page yaabwe bakimbamba bumawo afuna sense nga kitufu alaba alowooza briefly nga agazi ya kubongo
nange nayiga kati mbaddamu peacefully ne basa
abubukangalo
omusajja yankuza ddia omusajja ono gwe mulaba nno ankyusiza bingi by the way. I'm calming it down a lot, like especially with him. Like I don't have to calm down for anyone else because you can't mess with me. But when it comes to being in a relationship with a man, like I'm different. I can see that he's told me certain things, like patience. Yeah, and love is about patience, by the way.
And you're a good learner.
I am, because when you love someone, you have to learn fast. Like of course, like those things don't run with Ugandan men. You know what I mean?
They don't really run with any relationship.
Okay, like I know how to cook. And I love cooking every now and then, but then like ati ekinchimanyi nti abakazi bewunya rachi abasajja they end up with the maids sometimes. Okay. Like you can't let the maid cook for your man every time on a daily. Ochitegedde kubanga like waliwo ekyo abazungu kibagamba nti no a way to a man's heart is through his stomach. Like kati on a weekend I have a girl anfumbire mmere kubanga mu week sina mukozi abeera waka nina omwana just soma but she comes nankolera emirimu because abakozi bantama ate nze bwe mbeera n'omusajja essagala kwesembereza mukazi yenna ne waba mukozi. So now she comes on the weekend and she cooks. And every time she cooks he complains about something. Be like mama gubadde munju kana kaunga kagonda nnyo. His favorite food is kawunga, by the way.
Most men.
Yeah, and then but then when I cook, so like it makes like when I cook, like he likes my cooking, and but then so I feel like now I enjoy cooking for him because I know he enjoys eating my food. And even if I don't like doing it on a daily, because I love him, like on the weekend is when she cooks. And then during the week, if he's going to come to see me, I make sure I cook.
And the biggest problem with her food is saying that you have to leave after eating it. Okulya kwetaaga amaanyi mangi kati osooka n'olya n'omala n'olya. Pola kabo oluso olya It's why I can go back. Oh, Papa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you think, guys, your relationship has a meaning?
Of course, to us, it has a meaning. And that's all we care about. Do you really care about anybody else?
No. It has a meaning to us because how we met was meaningful. It was through making money. You know what I mean? Like relationships, the singer went our foundation years a young about the sex and drugs, like smoking, and especially the most recent one. What connected us was mainly sex and weed. Period. But the foundation on which I built this relationship on was on friendship. You know what I mean? Like I said, omusajja yanumya nga omanyi omukazi yalumya omusajja yanumya nga tayagala kumpaako. And then I'm like, I even said in messages, I said in my messages, I'm like, don't you find me sexually attractive? You say you like me, but why haven't we gotten to that part? And he's like, you're a good woman. Tebako papida. I'm like, I've never heard that from, I swear.
I wish like I could marry you like tomorrow.
He said, I wish I could marry you like tomorrow. I wish I could marry you like tomorrow. You're a good woman. Like I said, I don't want to rush into it, blah, blah, blah. And indeed, when it happened, it was so special to me because I was yearning for it. It's never happened in my life. I was like, like, but he showed me that yes, you're sexy or whatever, but you know, and I like you, but this has to be it has to mean something. It can't just be us just having sex because we like each other or because we find each other sexy. It has to be deeper than that.
And sex is
there was nothing like lust. It was
no, like, so when it happened, I was like, but dang, let's then I learned something new, like our relationship is not based on sex. It's based on, that's what I'm saying, it's meaningful because we work together. Like he's literally teaching me how to be a different woman than I've been, like you know Janja, like I'm like, you know, like like I'm very hard-headed, like I have a big head, but he's calming my big head down. And I find it easy to submit to him.
Up to now you can't look me in the eye.
No, he makes me shy. That's why. Stop it.
But here, stop it. Stop what?
No, he makes me shy.
I must stop it.
No, the question is here. Both of you right now in a relationship. Teki disturbing abantu we mwaleka okulaba nti no muli mwembi. They thought you guys mwali ba friends. You connected to your ex no connecting ono kumutumira. When wabalaba nga muli mwembi talowooza nti wamuzanyira ku mutwe.
I think she probably thinks that actually.
But in that sense, just kale bantu bebachikola but my ex is doing well. Yeah, somebody else and she's fine. She's
but omuntu asukana naye of all people omuntu gwe introducing that anyambe ko ate gwa yinze naye abanga agamba tumamuzanyira ku mutwe.
Well, no, just already she had moved on, she had her life. Kati nafe twesanga byaffe, in fact twali mu life it ali mu just become a work at internet before sing. Yeah, some of the friends and some of her friend bloggers were posting her. I don't know why she's involved, why bikola ya money, but we're just minding our business.
Because it's human.
I
mean, I would say
the level like
how come? We are introducing that in a closing line. Yeah,
even me, I was not happy when she left. Kubanga ugamba no mama agundi nga obimanyi kale bitu planning naye if you have a Toyota and you find a Range Rover webaza mukama Richard obutandise kati yagala kusala bigambo obikyuse obizimbe okoleki there's nothing to do with
Range Rover.
tuleke gwe
Toyota ebera n'ebika by'emmotoka bingi kati byo tebika byatubeta tebogera amanya ga mmotoka. Range Rover bagiwogera.
Yo teyina nabika Range Rover. Yo Range Rover kaseba range oba bafudde oba ene ya Sheile ya sticker oba ya Shakibu.
Eya Sheila ya sticker. Obana endaba mumpola.
Kati tojukira Lamborghini gye baleeta ku Garden City awo mbu ya gold. Tewamala n'ogiraba koto spanga enkuba egikubye ng'ekalabuseeko sticker. So internet tubaddewo byo si bipya tubirabye era mwerimba ababikoze.
Bweyagala omuntu mwagale yenna
utidde
ekirimu okyetika
full package self contained
kati byonna ebizibu bya Kisti biri ku mutwe gwo
n'ebibyo byonna
biri ku mutwe gwo. So you got a Range Rover neweerabira Toyota.
Weerabira like Toyota yo obimanyi
very durable.
Obimanyi just
so you know
that's how life was scripted.
Nomalonya comfort zone ova mu binnya nodda ku chorus katoli ku chorus ebinnya government weri biyagala eri bikolako yemanyi.
Kati best let me give you an example. Ng'ogenze ku mukolo babaganye okuyingira babaganye mutobye okuyingira mutobye mumaze muyingidde kati sawa ya line ya mmere bw'ofunye chance mukuwanda emmere awo munno n'akuleka waaso akusooke mu line
n'asooka
n'agenda mu line n'alya emmere kati gwe ng'okyali awo obyanga byange enjala ekuluma agaba emmere n'ajja n'akukima n'akuyisaawo ku line n'akutwala mu ffumbiro n'akuterawo amasepiki wejjulire oddamu okulingiza wabweru tolya bukulya totunula na wabweru wafumbiro kati that's why I'm kind of telling you nti if anybody is bothered it's not us.
Yeah.
It would cause a little bit of chaos. Say manyi very many times ate kitukanye kusaidia abakyala nti you leave someone omusuubira to stay in a situation yabaddemu olaba nga elevating on a high speed abamu batandika kati government right now kati friends wa bloggers batandika tu
era some people already bangamba oyagala visa ya America oyagala simampa plaza muwala mbanti aina obutabo bwa America huntu abera mu America ne Bungereza wapimye kasente ichi so lumaloza kyalowooza naye
ate nga buli omu wadde abagamba nti engeri gyenza mu postinga
by the way yes
so they think bagamba nza mwesibako naye ate ababyogera of course balina intentions zaabwe
nga posting
wakatani
just omumanzi lwa post iri ku gundi bagita batyeri app ya snap the snap
oya kati ate nze nasooka ne postinga ku snap everyone namulaba ku snap so it's kind of like balooza nze yasooka mu postinga again era nze yasooka mu postinga so I put a post na ngamba n'okugamba njijeyo the first video teyanga njijeyo neyangamba you should ask me first and then I deleted it
by the way go a post in the Robin interview
ne mama yadduse yiyo
kati then abantu bali bakiwa bagamba mbu omwesibako
buli muntu aba ayina ayagala ajjewo
n'omusajja omulungi
bagoba agulina
ng'omanyi okubeera n'omusajja omulungi bw'ati deka
omwana ayinza okukumeza amalala waliwo wompaana bebi nenkera ku makya neneeyitako neseebuuza wallahi omwana asookuwala I can't imagine you from the ghetto but you're intelligent you know this guy does fine sometimes surprising so kati ayina oyambuzaako yalina mukwano gwe gwayogera naye awo ebe UK biki kati nemugamba ate tawana naawe awo UK nemunyonyola nemulagirira Clapham Junction biki paka ku London Bridge nemwana contract y'omuntu asobola omuyamba and it worked and then naga ne banayinze nkutya gwe biki
yokana nange ndiwe nabera UK ne nampa connection so sometimes abantu abali mu value tewetaga nti ogenda basanga mu high expensive places kubanga nze as much as I'm a celebrity you never find me in high class places all the time because I don't want to give people the impression that that's my lifestyle. No, I'm a laid down kind of girl. Like I'm ghetto.
Robin, don't you get scared into Oromo or get Oromo revive Jolly? No guy like omanya abantu bagete buloma defining always like the violence, the behavior. Totya mukolo omuntu olwagete lulivayo kona lukoze.
Actually the problem is people take the word ghetto as a bad word. No. Ghetto lifestyle is not a bad lifestyle. Ghetto lifestyle for me, it's a carefree lifestyle. What choosing what watch twala.
For me, it's a university.
Like it's like a ghetto lifestyle. It's the Rastafari lifestyle. Aba Jamaica jeba kola chijeba adapting. Ghetto bachirabange chifo, but it's actually not chifo. It's people. So osanga abantu abali real in the ghetto. You will not find real people in the sea hanging around in abaserebwe no tuna baserebona tiwalenza kugamba tino nze ndi mukwano gwe omwala gwe nasema kwangana yenti nsuleko no abeli friend wange yali shiraga shuma yeka tibedanga yo mwala gwe nalimba deko close na yemo industry. But that's the only girl I've ever been close to Nick Clave, Chato Haire. Those are the only 2 celebrity girls that I know I've ever been.
Mulimu, Michael Ross, Mulimu.
I forget about that. That was
Moshmula.
No, that's a friend.
Yeah. I'm not saying if we've dated.
But until later maybe like.
Muganda wange.
Yeah, Muganda. I take out Mukulu.
Michael Gakoza. Nekonradi. No, that's my other family.
By the way, no.
That's my other family for family.
So like.
Yeah.
And Brenda is best friend Wang.
Oh.
Brenda where you is Maureen naye. Those that's family to me. Naye kwegamba just city so close na bantu ba industry because I don't find many real people. The right of is a relationship era zagwa okubanga temwali mu realness. Oshegede abantu bakwano bange bantu abamanyide banga denate ne wobuzono nze sina mikwano era teri bajja wakantu waliwo mwala ayagala okungenda nange out nze abachali bange bona basinga bavubuka ate la the business mainly like that's who I am. I'm just a laid back person.
Richard, the same question. Omanye engeri sitas jakolidemu abantu babaddemu bwajja aba Dr. Mulokomawo niwe yakomerawo wano abantu beyabeerangamu twekifuna omuli okutya nti olumu alikeera n'afuna omuntu ali mu status eyo nga ate already mulina bye mukoze n'akulekawo
kati okutya kwange nze kumpa courage ya kusettinga status eyo to live up to her expectations because literally lwakigambye ghetto university kitubeera n'abantu ab'enjawulo n'obeerako mubaddooni n'obeerako eri wansi n'okakubamu akasente because we've been there yona n'okutambula alhamdulillah tutambuddeko ensi ez'enjawulo we've seen so omanya nti kati okyasinga okwagala because literally lubina talina bintu biri awo byetaaga just yeetaaga omuntu asobola okumulaga ekikyamu n'ekituufu omuntu ow'amazima kubanze boya amazima gansudde n'ewabi naye gaba gange mmanyi okugogera so era mbeera ne mugamba olagwe weesudia musoma ali mu America Uganda oba okwata essimu ku boda omala kutuuka wakati okwata essimu ku boda you know mugamba ebyo byeyonze tobiŋŋamba kino kyekituufu era amala n'akiraba and I'm glad she's so comfortable and she gives me the flowers all the time.
How do you guys calm yourselves down nga mufunyemu arguments? Kwa ekyo kintu kikulu. Abamu when you get arguments ekyalo kitegera banemba bategera. When you get arguments omwafuluma faces imbye bisago. How do you guys calm?
She knows it. Love comes first.
We haven't really had any like that. And guess what? Like I've learned to respect him. You know what I mean? So what would bring an argument is a disagreement. You know what I mean? So I learned that there's certain things that I cannot argue about even if I want to do it. Like if he doesn't want to do it and I feel like the China is the Jako, I'm not gonna argue about it because at the end of the day, I'm listening to him. You know what I mean? Yep. If I want to go somewhere, like I want to go to what city, what he wants,
you get permission.
He knows what I'm gonna do there. You know what I mean? I'm gonna be at cities drinking.
So transparency way.
Yeah. So if I tell him I'm going to city, like he'll be like, "Are you sure?"
I'm going to change my phone password.
I know his phone password.
Okay. Amasimu ago gatabula nnyo.
Password ye njimanyi. Ate ne yanga agimanyi. Njimanyi.
Mwatuuka awo kwerevo.
Sinzigule.
Umanyi password yomu?
Yeah. Aina kyakweka nange sina kyenkweka.
Ezange zirimu 125. Umanyi n'amasimu mangi gayinza oyiika.
So taina kyakweka sina kyenkweka. So this is one of these things whereby if I'm going somewhere and I tell him where I'm going, he's not going to be like, oh, worried about.
That's he's worried. I might not be knowing yours.
Mine.
Mama face detect.
Face ID we gani that take password.
Wow. More exchanging passwords.
We know, like when she wants to use my phone, maybe I'll be doing something. I'll be like, hey, use my phone name my password. So I took an ajikwata mutwe and
like I had to give him the password so he.
Lusikati waliwo abayagala okwesindikira oba ayagala talina sente nga kwesindikira sente oba gula biki just use my phone then you know me.
Ne password ya mobile money nagimanyi.
Yes.
Let's get serious.
Yeah,
but ones I go to ina mbwala bu fratering babo gidana bu.
Yeah, kaba je kali eyo kamanye sometimes ga flatting anono.
Hey.
Yeah.
Ndako. Ina bulenzi bujja mu inbox okumanyira.
Bajja naye ate babazira bwabede simyanga agirabira mugamba ono muddemu kati na TikTok like men come professing they loved me and they talking to him and then they don't know that they're talking to him.
Which messages are sending?
That they won't do things. Lots of them are jakubuya like they.
So like message you wali osomye nga bagisindikidde
nebi mu byenkola mbijja mu messages. Omwana soga manja kujja mukazi bene kwana kokola tuba nekino kisoboka kola omwaka
ebwezo zino okusomera
nsokobaza kwange buli musajja aweereza message inbox ya Robina ng'owabula ku nkola y'omukwano na biki bambi okozesa amanyi oyimiriza relationship.
WhatsApp like they come from
literally katika mbabuli kino ekintu if you're in a relationship oli musajja oba oli mukazi oba you're married or just nga in a relationship nga mukimanyi muli serious nga mwekweka essimu you are literally just keeping each other for somebody else. You are enemies. Yeah, because kati muntu kicho obokweka mu simu sikirabawo kubanga siyina muntu mulala gwe ndi awo mbu mukwana siyina muntu mulala gwe nkola ki siyina gwe nziba. Even if I have business, she knows all the business I do. Kamera zange company yange ya kamera abeerayo nga advertising ku Snap bagiraba ne ku TikTok. Nange brand yenze njikwasaganya most of the endorsements zonna nze I'll be doing then.
Naweza ku WhatsApp nimwabe bono
Bada yote kintu kikulu nnyo mu relationships. Essimu ngimanyi. Bana yo mukazi yenna kugamba mbu tokwatanga ku simu yange ng'oli musajja. Mugambirewo agendeewo yasogikwatako.
Kitegeeza abaina yagikwatako.
Trust me.
Nakyokweka.
Trust me. Yes. Essimu eno ng'erimu bubeezi business. Omukazi omuyine waka.
Because my ex didn't have my passport.
Ekyoba okweka.
He didn't. And I didn't have his either.
Kiba kitegeeza bw'oba ogamba nti noli transparent abakukwana leka mbalabe ntegere nti wona ali mukukwana
sibyoliko yes kati ate nadaffe kati fe mu social media you know babeera bangi kati bw'obeera nga oyo that kind of girl ali jumpy okaba bona bwayani ono nogera profile no checking but I'm not interested.
Okay, na profiles.
No messages ennyini ono yazigulangawo nagamba bali muno bakwana nze nga sibigulawo like
cheating etandikira ku kugaba namba nga bawo takimanyi. Cheating etandikira ku kunyumya na muntu mulala n'omuwa obudde nga partner olaba tabiri intimate nga partner otakimanyi yeah biviramu ddala disaster byawula amaka byonona business biyiwa empires they destroy even nations yeah so nze simu yange era abeera nayo era mbeerawo nga agina oluusi mbeerawo nga ndi kuyiye nga ginkozesa olunaku lulamba ngeyange weeryawo nga naye waba ayagala okubira abantu cause most of her people namba yange bagiyina bakubirako ku yange then nanga abamu kozesei so there's literally nothing.
So your family zemanyi family ye kumanyi ne
family yange babera US UK
babona bakimanyi already.
I mean they see on social media. I talk to them, I let them know, but we just haven't officially introduced ourselves to each other's family, but they know.
So literally abazadde bonga abazadde ku kitibwa kyabwe tubagamba tiba mukwano. We are friends.
Until you guys
until Senga Nambo's honorable Mkono wanankwata nantwale wakiso ewa King Solomon
naroza ntundo Nambo's dala Senga wange Senga mwita Senga abala Senga kwanga Senga wange era wensongera ye Nambo's Robin gwe banzibulamu so katova oli bet Nambo's name mwita Senga kubanga
mwina akajabangu.
It's a very strong name. We carry a strong name, so we don't know where it came from.
Zamesa piti wakakanya Robin akajabangu neka, and I'm happy to meet a Robin.
I'm Robin.
Bana leo tumaze warweda chegede.
Meet a Robin oba babe. Babe like BABE kati.
Babe.
That one we got babe.
Bomita.
Babe.
Mwana mwita babe. Chikamo cyo kiriva nga mmanya mwechayi.
Katolo tuwela mu meeting.
Richard. Kati mu meeting is a director.
Business,
business, a director. So there's no babe. Like I'm their boss. Like I'm their boss. Yeah, I'm their boss no matter what.
Then emails impandika wajamu department yange impandika emails naziweleza general manager buli kimu nekitambulanga kino kutambula.
Cause balinga ya kubabuuza tiyo. Webituka kubi omulimu ngolo wa alpha uvayo.
Yes. Oh, what
director?
I'm the director. So at the meeting, like he's the logistics manager, right? Okay. If he has patches things in town, he's not gonna ask for me for money. I don't hold the money. Okay. He has to go through the right channels. Again, our general manager, bamwe order ebintu bagala. Then means what general manager yansaba gundi olukusa ne signing off money, so he cannot go straight. No, just because no, the general manager abayino kungamba nti no Richard requested this amount of money to Ginagula and then I sign off. Yes, that's fine because this is kwa send the sins as
nane wemmalo tola sente nenkola logistics zange procurement era accountability emailinga CC to the manager ne director bonna.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's professional. Like that's how you can't put your love relationship or family relationship in a business. Because that's how we met. Anyways, like it started off professionally. Before of course, we liked each other, but there was no love yet. So now, like even our love is built.
So your relationship is built.
Business on good intentions.
Good intentions. So kubanka tiate to twaga better relationship nga omanyi gwe love eri mu sente wenyuma. Love eri mu sente nyuma kati there's no point of us okubera nga tubeera mu bya love nga tetulowooza ku sente. Tulina okwera fembi nga tuli
bagagga sente. Osajja bamanyi okweka abasajja abakazi sente.
Actually, which is funny is that I give him my money to have it. Like if I have lots of money on me, I'm not good at managing money.
Not good at managing money.
And even mama wange yali amfaya yangamba ebintu ngogena funa sente nyinyi ne responsibility nayo ino kuyiga money management. Kati nze sente kale simanyi zikozesa bulungi wembera nzina zino okugwawo like. So what I do, like I first do what I need, like ngoye, like what I wanna buy myself, whatever is left is supposed to be saved, I give it to him to help me manage it. Because he knows what's
necessary.
Abakazi bagamba sente y'omusajja yaffe fembi eyange nze.
No, I'm nze kati amusije nakuliramu 50-50. Nze nakulira bweru like omusajja asasula bill n'omukazi asasula bill.
Do you pay bills? Let me simugeze out osasula bills.
Bamaze ninamu muwa sente n'asasula bwe zibanza zange. Nezimu waye n'asasula.
Asobola osasula amafuta, agula amafuta, then I pay the bills.
Only
oba atesezza nti
tugende out,
let's go for lunch.
Asasula.
ngamba I want to eat this and this ne mugambo manyi sikyaleero tujja genda kulokuna 3 feet
yengo waba inamwa
okagamba yekwate TM kuliko tugende
tukosa ATM tugende
oba ku
I don't give him my bank card
udiringa na muntu mulala
no na bank card zange zonna nezebweru
Nigga, Richard, to very serious.
The second thing
abachala be Uganda okukala abachala be Uganda ebisibe bakola
Dias look inze he knows I have my own money. I don't ask him for money. Nembera awo nga mfunyika message upkeep for babe. Sunday. Upkeep for babe. Like
okwata musenyungo gutwala ku nyanja.
This guy is never chill. But you know ko omusajja ino bote. Ola ne Shakibu era naye mulabira agira nateeka nagula ne kat ticket oshege.
It makes it look it makes
Zingate menye kanga.
Oshegede. Oyo mwana yakoona apologize hano ko apologize ngomulabisa gwe labo
Jali muri.
Labo jimanyi.
Baba dasi bano bana balina musente zaabwe. Ebetaga like bintu bingi. Kala sobola okubeerawo nga alinamu miliyoni zinga 5 nga alina kyayagala okukola biki n'omweregera n'abikola kati gwe kulast ngoba ayagala nga data n'omuteerako data wa kyesatu omugabe bitodanga mukubona na data n'omuteerako data wa kyesatu oba n'abeerawo ng'ayoya ekintu ng'alaba naye obudde bankubiraani agenda okugira bwati gwe okuba musama sate sekendi ng'okireese.
It's the thought that counts.
Okay.
Kati like sometimes osotuuka ku kati nga bw'oba mu visitinze n'osanga oba something broken in the house. This is n'okubira gw'okubire najja ne fixing ana okwatamu akasente k'okuttemu.
So sikuda n'ogamba alina sente anabyekolera.
Sikukanya bukanya kukola mugongo.
Kati nze yansanga bedroom yange. I have money. Nainga eri like the paint is old. Not untidy, just like ngawomanyi like it's like you know those main things of such a so me I didn't know like how do I fix these walls to zaika wansi. I don't know. He came and like man it's go sura which saying it like you know
namugamba mwana lista na yengo sura
and then he figured out mugogo apparently I had no mugogo that's what's making the wall yeah olugogo I didn't know olugogo so I didn't know then he's like oh you need olugogo because that's what making your wall like pour the cement. I didn't know that. So he came, he did the mugogo first, then after he fixed my whole room, painted it, and now I'm living in a brand new room because I have a man in the house who knows the things that need to be done. Simanyi. Era tobambuza nako. Tubaleke.
Nzeka stop keke tu.
That's how I chawa.
Kanda
kamtabula. Twagala no mwezi mulala.
Baina bwe muka olaba kyesibwa kwebaza ku bantu bange bakwano bange. My close friends, yeah. They all saw ebibi byonna ne tebabyogera until mama zegenda.
Bwe batyo.
Bagala no nze bwe bera busuwabu bwa bawe.
Abantu bwe batyo.
Olutafugika.
Amala busuwabu bwa.
Olaba omala ku separatinga na muntu
bose. Bagamba.
Inbox nze era banaye kusija muguma iki banaye gundo omusajja nnyo iki era nze sometimes tukanga bamusinyefulanga talaye message ninsika kubamba busy eno bimanyi so akubeera eno ku kijuliro nga ate olingiriza bawaata alhamdulillah
now
for real echaddala nno. Do you know the best thing that I love? His family has never officially met me, but they all love me.
Oh, how do you tell me?
No, like when he's talking to them, I hear, and they say hi to me on his phone, like chiri wanti family yo musajja fenga bakaze chiri so important naddala nga ina baganda babawala.
Oh,
mama kati nze nafunye omukisa nti banjagaliddewo because they felt my energy. Kati bamugamba bo bwe bagamba ye making sure nomuyisa bulungi kubanga like I feel like they know I'm a good woman and I really appreciate that. So
it's so good.
So Chinsanyu said that his family already like me and like they feel like I'm taking him in the right direction. And I feel like he's taking me in the right direction too. So I'm really grateful for that. Like setaga who be on my tiptoes now. Wango my sister ngabasa zero. oyo tajja wasa Buganda waffe
naye ba sister abo sometimes tobanenya abakachala namwe mwekola ebintu bingi yeah
oya nagwe baba tebamanyiko yadde naye kata tegwe life ye little bit ebadde
limelight
era kibalendo
kati ate
your relatives contented with a woman you have.
Yeah, my family, the family that really matters, they know her, and that is very okay. They even sometimes banyumya nabo ne bangamba bane robina mutulabire banayo omwana oyo bichi you know, and my mom too ngamweleza nensenene
yakuweleza
ensenene
yes
mama wabirawo
mama wange nsambi awo
wa mkibuga
sibanzalawo nga olaba flyover ya Clocktower oyambuka awo waggulu awo waliwo omuzikiti awo
atenyi
no ngodde eno waggulu side ya Clocktower police
wana abasimu babiranga
lipanda oliwe lipanda straight away big up lipanda yeah but if bali mbwenjeru balida and we even have initiatives okugenda mu ghetto to educating abana ba ghetto like kati ngaze wonda ba living example yeah no yamuka waggulu nga muzika
atono naye counselor like yesimba okubwa counselor mu kitundu kyabo teyayitamu naye nga yesimba atenga the goal is like we both community leaders mu community yange no sesimba nga but I'm initially I'm already a community leader because nina abantu benyamba
byebweru eyo mubera ne meetings ne mukola biki toleta abantu tubaleta ko lugezi ku kyalo
nze community chengamba kuyamba abantu mu community
kusomesa abantu
na kubawe emmere na sente
kati ngeka eripando kimanyi crime is too much era jeno damulida abadde twatandikayo ne bashbaga kuva mu ghetto structures babimanyi bibamu. Yeah, so
and for me, I want to pull up his I want to be behind his community leadership because like he already he has a big name. Like I would like to be behind that because my goal is to like be a community leader myself, and if I find someone who like he gives good advice, so like we want to do stuff in communities.
I really give good advice. I've really had it in life. So people come to me, and if you're out there and go, you need some boy, you can always reach out, you know, Janet.
Nga bawala banji nya bagala advice from him. Nimugamba ninga bawala na just nati nagendo labanga it's not just girls. No anga ate etiali bwali anga anti it was then I said it wasn't just girls, it's men, boys, women, girls, like people just want advice from him.
Kali ngamaso ko gajjewa abasajja n'abavubuka
kadi nemugamba nemwachoka manti abawala tulyanga kono. And then I made my research, made sure there's men.
And then so my baby mama
even him, sometimes I ask him, oh no, like because he has, you know, people gravitate towards this man. Like I just seen it, you know.
So you have a guy's jazz, eh?
Yeah, like
I'm kind of kind of God created me like kind of a king, like people draw towards me. Abantu banja bad drawing towards me. Ate abalala kibaletera okuncha we olina abanga ne bwawulira ku linnya lyange emmere yagala kudda because I break some rules of power. I outshine masters nyonyo. So for
ababika
so abamu kibanyiiza ate abamu banjagala. There some people abanjagala like oli onamugamba oli yampeza message na playing na ngamba banayo binamwagala nyonyo mpulira nkagala nyonyo kanyambire kakwagala, you know, like kala abantu we balije baliwe bato ba die hard, so they don't want to.
You have a supportive woman.
Oh yeah, I'm behind him all the way.
I'll still also talk to my community and see what they say. Nyizo kwagala kwesimba kuba kansala nga banjagala kuba MP oba nyizo kwagala kwesimba kuba MP nga wali abalala ate abayagala okumpa bwa bagala kuba prime minister ndi mu Uganda. Okumbuuza okugamba mbundi wano oba ogambye nti drone bakuletereka kala ki so nze ndi mu Uganda njagala nnyo gavumenti yange eriko njagala nnyo emirembe njagala nnyo enkyukakyuka njagala okukulaakulanya mostly kukulaakulanya abavubuka bakyuse mindset.
And that's what we're gonna do.
Choose mindset kintu kikulu nnyo.
Okay, message to Robin nga tumaliriza. Namboze Robin ki
message Robin chenyezo osoko okumugamba take the internet as your vacation, like gobera online. Yeah, bera ngali out olini bwa kuvuma kitwale nga vibe kinyumirwe. You see the way we started replying people because abantu man abantu bagaliza kali bakulaba abalaba wafunye niga amalayo ki abasinga just know people out there also wish to have me because I'm a handsome dude.
Of course.
You know, you always tell me that. That is money. So just be yourself. Osigale kuchitufu ate chaka ekirala kino kantugambe le kantunule no stories kubombo.
Love ngene maso.
Lista. Uliwa kavi.
Thank you.
Just know you're gonna run this country, this continent and the whole world and you will change it. I like there's a way you sit in your activism thing and you don't really have to force it. You just speak your mind out and it really makes sense.
Thank you.
However, when you give me the job to manage you, you really make my job easy. Like, you just sit in the camera, take him, you know? And the man we are just forcing them. No, but man, you can just keep it up and I'm here to push you forever.
Thank you.
The return.
It's my baby. No, well, me personally, I just want to thank you.
Yep.
For believing in me, first of all. Like, madena abantu banje around me. Ngateba mbulira my potential. Like, it's more like a competition. But when I met him, he showed me my potential and he really, like, told me the route to go the right route. So, the videos mbademulaba ngandi more about activism, jogera ko bine bintu bya pretty payasi, like hajatine haji, like those things where I'm talking about ebintu ebikwanga ebina makulu, like it's him who drove me into that direction and it actually has given me a whole different outlook from people and he made me believe that I am a strong woman. Before Mali Munda ngambera mu drama because I was misguided. I didn't have a direction. Ngambera just kuyomba, I guess, because that's what I felt like that's what is gonna make me trend. You know what I mean? For about celebrity, tuchi jumping on ko trending, ateba kulimba. But then when he showed me the right direction to go, it's actually made me trend more than I was trending before. My videos when I'm talking about in song is tegere like zikubi since he started posting for me, like and putting me in that direction. So he showed me that neteke mo image abantu jebaino okunda bamu like a presentable as the leader that I am, as the role model that I am.
The place she has to be.
Yeah, but most of all, this man loves me. This man loves me and I feel it. Like I really feel like he loves me, worships the ground I walk on, and like he at the Tanjubisa, like he really advises me. Like he won't let me just Tangama, oh, you're good. No, he will tell me when I mess up. Like he's like, no, that's not you. That shit you're doing. No, that's not you. Ye muntu ajo kunte kama place yange ne mpulira, and he's done it. Oh, when Nesri was and now you're like, okay, he's really right, and you can't have a big head. So I love him, and I just want to become his wife. I want to be his wife. I want to be his baby.
I want to have his babies. And, yeah. Nigga accent, you man no yakachamya katika accent.
Yakachamya.
Wewe hizo kama nyaga mbulinga ngamba a little bit neka nzonga a little bit. Oh.
Bilaram. Okay.
Yeah.
So we're just waiting for the wedding.
Yeah.
Wedding yebe malayo wali.
Of course.
We're just waiting for the honeymoon.
Wedding ibajazikowa because every time I feel like getting another woman, I'll have to renew my vows to her. Yeah, so kadi mbaga zija kujanga. Bulina ulianga kitagadde mu labyo bajene alpha abapya. Batuchidda mu style ya kijeni alpha.
So you read the mukwana on a day in the out.
Segera.
Why do you think I'm shy with him? Every day I'm kwana.
I mean, that's how I would love man. So then, I'm not going to that yet. Sometimes when I'm shooting her, I have to look away. As well as one camera. So take away Simon and Tumuli, then you will become a Sarabisa tomorrow.
Okay. He just makes me blush, that's all. No, I'm a bit shy actually. I want to about that I'm shy. Only love brings my shyness out.
Everyone should fall in love with that.
Right. I'm happy. I'm very happy right now.
What's the best food?
Mine? Tell them.
Kaunga.
And?
Kaunga vijanjaro and peas. Me, matoke vinyewa.
You had to ask me. I tell you the American food, the exotic. Pizza.
I got your pizza.
She likes pizza.
What's her best color?
Her best color? Red.
What's his best color?
Black.
Whoa. Okay. So mwefuna byomukati asobola okwogera ebyamunne bya.
Yes, twali tuwefuna ddala naye nga tetunneesanga.
What's her best moment?
Her best moment?
Best moment yasinga okwagala.
Yasinga okwagala. Ono ayagala nnyo okubeera mu kisenge kye yekka. Era nange bwe mba wendi nzeko omuntu gwakkiriza mu space ye. Era like sometimes when I go to visit her, nze nsigala nnyo wabweru mu compound because njagala nnyo outdoor. Naye luba lutalo tayagala kuba mu bedroom, yagala beera yekka. Yeah. Hobbies. Swimming and the first hobby mbadde rabbit. Her first hobby is being around me. And nothing beats it.
I swear I can be around him all the day. Whenever he has to leave, anxiety.
Hello. Separation anxiety. Ati obuntu bwa America kati nange ngera mbuukira mpapa.
What's about best moment? His best moment.
His best moment is chilling over there, Mukati.
Nyakati.
Ngali ku simu yoko bwapostinga bu video bwange bwabulabako
kambulaba
bwanyumyako ne bakwano be bwanyumyako ne bagana be, but he's just a peaceful person. Abera ata kuba ekibozi ne museka. He makes me laugh all the time.
What will you do? Chicholi kola boli tuke kisala ngowulira omukoyi.
Nze
chicholi kola ngowulira omukoyi.
Nziramu nga mukwana.
So you planning mugena paka bukadde?
Paka mukama wana tugerera. Kuba ate naye tumutaddemu nnyo.
Okay.
Yeah, we pray a lot and even tugenda kutandika okusabanga ku Thursday evenings. Tujja tandika obagamba. Bawulira wishes abagala okujja tusabire wamu because tuli mu nsozi. Moyo gutuuka mangu. Moyo gugenda tuuka kubali abali mu vale. Eno wamu mu nsozi guba gwatuuse dda.
Nze nakugamba ndi mukyala musabe. Anyway, every relationship oyina ogiteekamu essaala.
Family yange basabi nnyo.
Relationship oyina ogiteekamu essaala. Bw'otagiteekamu essaala bizibu kuba relationships si nnyangu. Mu abantu ababiri buli omu alina by'ayagala. Alinako ebirungi n'ebibi. Waliwo ababiri abatabyagaliza bulungi. So kati mu relationship era nga nkugambye nti oba toli ready ku submittinga ng'omukazi togisobola. Nze kyonkaba ensonga lwaki naawe ndaba eno relationship egenda kuwangala kubanga nasazeewo okusubmittinga. Okitegedde n'ebintu n'ebiranga ndaba kimenya naye nga nina okukikola. That's where my joy is now because I know I'm becoming a woman.
Perfect after 30 years of your life. Yeah.
You can't. You just have to cooperate and coexist.
You tolerate. You appreciate.
Like this morning, he made a statement about something and I didn't want to argue. Like I didn't want to tell him that he made me mad. So I just kept quiet and wasn't angel coming out. But he kept on coming back because he realized I got upset. But he kept on coming back like 4 times. I'm sorry if I made you feel like that. I'm sorry if I did this. Like
that pretense?
No.
Pretense is when someone just says it and moves on.
No, he realized that he made me mad, but I didn't have to take it out of him. Like he had to come and attitude yange choose. Najja na amanya nti whatever he said might have rubbed me the wrong way. Najja na ngamba, oh, I'm sorry if it made you feel this way. Another person agamba hoba anyige.
Bwanako ochegera balaki.
Kasuka bu flying kiss basamula busamule.
He always knows that I don't like, he always knows when something has rubbed me the wrong way. And vice versa, like, you know, but it's the relationship with like communication. You need to understand me even when I don't communicate. That's what I mean.
Bantu babera mu relationships nenga sites about is outside their relationships. Oli na abani girlfriend or boyfriend. Nenga amaso gamuli wabweru wa relationship yegomba
ngachi bona muri wano nenga tosana kumanya nti usawo no right now mundu gyalimu eribweti
anti kati byebyo ne mumala okwawukana omuntu omulese ate notandika okujjusa kali saakiraba ti alina keya saakiraba nti kale bannaye alinamu kali saakiraba nti kale kale oli omukazi agamba biki no. So I try observing wagena ku office oba musanze ku office oba musanze wa observe no kyekibulamu.
Zina nyalo clarify nti omusajja tewabba mubbe.
There's not even no global gambe go amubako. She's very okay. It's so comfortable with her life. Yeah, she's moving on with her life. Achatunge suit ezisinga mu Uganda. Yeah.
Omugula kumu supporting.
There's nothing abwetaavu.
Alaawo.
Ati kata buzibu problem tuina mu endorsement ya Kai.
Kai Divo.
Yeah. So somehow
basi
nze yanyambaza.
So kiyinza okuntana ne brand.
Definitely.
Yeah, copyright bichi.
The Kai yanyambaza, so of course that's the brand I work with, but she's dressed me before too, so if an opportunity comes, if they don't create what's not there, we're good. No, those things are created by other people.
Yes, social media sometimes.
Bankwana bukwanyi ndi happy sina gwe nabako musajja and
I'm not there's no one
free.
Yeah, it's the social media that's right. Yeah, it's the social media that's making it. On my social media bagada nnyo okuleta ebitaliwo bwe babireta.
No one is complaining.
No one is complaining. We're all fine. In fact, I have her number, she has mine. Like, we've never called each other in 12 like. So and best guess what? She's the mother of his child. I respect her for that, because that child is one day going to be calling me mom or auntie or whatever she decides, you know. So that cordialness has to be there, because guess what? If it's her birthday, if the mom is there, I'm going to be there, he's going to be there, all three of us are going to be there her birthday.
To make that.
That's what it is.
Celebrate that.
Yeah, and Atabana Uganda bottom like me is in that baby totally different.
Wala bakukenzo ne nyamtolo ne rema
at what's her name's birthday?
Good.
Mal.
No, it was at the first girl.
The first debut.
Yeah,
oli rema go yaponyanga.
No.
Yeah, mama.
Maya. It was my
bizikiraka blogger yabiwandikaga mole mukifaananyi omwana bamusindika bizikiraka sibigambo
omwana yaganyo nokugenda. The reason why no mchala nyamtara afubye nnyo okulaba nga these goon back connecting ne ku celebrations babeerawo, because Maya always ayagala nnyo
ba siblings never siblings
okulaba.
That's the right way between okolebwa.
So I believe ndoza kinaba wisho ne wamu.
But you know kubera co-parenting is the way, because this man loves his children. You know, I would never wanna like
mufanga mukusika mugwanja akola mwana nedda bera yejo wansalawo kubera.
No, it can't be.
Anybody who knows me, they know I love kids, and my kids, man. Bagaranyo.
There should never be those tebina kubera wanga be affecting abana. Recently it was my
they even call me. Bankubira ne bampa omwana nenjogera naye because ayogera bulungi netumala okwogera, then when there's a need caretaker abera n'omwana ankubira. When the school needs something they still call me, and it's good.
Recently it was my daughter's birthday. We went to pick them up. We spent the day with them.
Kids.
And they love him.
Nobuza ku musanjo.
Natuucha nayo. It's all over the internet and everywhere. And atuucha na mwana mubale ku mama mga echo blood. He's a cool guy. Yeah, that's the way to go.
Stepping like from the gate to stepping like leather.
From the valley to the hills, look.
Anyway, tugenda kukoma wano abadde Robin Kisti with King Richard. Badde ekyaddeko wano nga tunyumyamu wano ne wali manyi musala nnyo ebigambo, so abyogedde, Robin abyogedde. They are free. Bonna gye baava, no one is complaining. Teri abanja kyapa teyayagala na ndagaano ya munne. So everything is okay. But with that Truth Media, just go subscribe, like, follow. What's your channel?
Kisti TV.
Kisti TV. So we'll genda Rina line Abe. Mugamba gwe. Gamba mchala wo tujja mukuba engoro. Terere mulayi.
Ate mchala teyakuba esimu ne yetonda video njijeyo. Video ne njijeyo ku TikTok yetonda.
She later found out.
Yetonda era ne musonyiwa video ne njijeyo ku TikTok yali ekubye 10K.
Ngaya damo understand. Banya wano amubeta okusomesa the hard way. Okuddamu amagezi. Kati oli yaddamu amagezi. Kumpakana nyondo.
Okitegedde olina balaga. Level yo weri. Jobo sigala.
Nali ku event nensanga Abe. Mugambwe terera mu line gwe. Ulimu yaliona ngamba bannanga ali mugambo yaterere mu line. And they know me when I
atereze nsolo ye mu line yewa.
Kati ensolo eriye nati bawulye ati ate solo
natuleke
tukomaawo nokomaawo bana nze bagaiza blessings omukolo kwendi yako omukolo nagala nekola interview negobesa ku mukolo gwe nandibaddeko nange nawe buyizokera kubinuga ebyo bakola luli ku mukolo toliiko
dayas go chali wange tuvudde wala
clear
yeah thank you
that was